Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on your Samsung TV. This guide will help you get started with the popular dance game using just your television and a smartphone. You will learn the simple steps to connect your devices and begin dancing in no time. We will cover everything from setting up the application to maximizing your dance experience, ensuring you have a fantastic time. To begin, download the Just Dance Now application from your phone's App Store. Next, open the web browser on your Samsung Smart TV and go to the Just Dance Now website. A unique room number will appear on your television screen. Simply enter this 6-digit room number into the application on your smartphone to establish the connection. This links your phone to the game, preparing it to be your controller. Once connected, hold your smartphone firmly in your right hand. Your phone acts as your motion controller, tracking your movements. Follow the on-screen coach and try to match their dance moves as accurately as possible. The game provides real-time feedback, awarding you points for your performance. Aim for perfect scores by hitting the moves with precise timing to maximize your score and climb the leaderboards. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection to prevent any lag during your dance session. Also, make sure you have ample space, ideally a clear area of at least 6 feet by 6 feet, to move freely and safely. Finally, fully charge your smartphone before you begin, as it will be actively used as your controller throughout your dancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.